Welcome back, friends, and welcome to our channel. Today, we are tackling a super common but super stressful problem: how to save a water damaged phone. Whether you dropped it in the sink, toilet, or even a pool, don't panic. We have got you covered with step by step tips to save your device. Let's go into it without wasting much time. Just coming to the topic, the very first step is act fast. Okay, so the first rule of saving a water damaged phone is to act fast. The longer your phone stays wet, the higher the chance of permanent damage. Here is what you need to do it immediately. First, you have to need your phone removed from water. Get it out from water as quickly as possible. Second, turn it off just from here, power off button, just turn it off. If your phone is still on, power it down right away to prevent the short circuits in the phone. Then when your phone is off, then remove the accessories, means SIM card, SD card, and if your phone has removable battery, take that out too. So this is the first thing. Act fast. Every second counts. Don't waste time. The second thing is dry the exterior, means please arrange a microfiber cloth or a paper towel and gently wipe down the exterior of your phone. Be careful, means just this when your phone is off, just exterior, every point just wipe out gently with microfiber cloth. Pay special attention to the charging port. These ports, special attentions, just these areas are tend to trap water, so dab them gently with a cloth. Now we have dried your exterior. The third thing, step 3, is you have to avoid common mistakes, means just do not use hair dryer. The heat can damage internal components. Don't shake your phone. If you are shaking your phone like this, the water can seep into the areas which can damage your phone. It can push water deeper inside. And then don't press buttons. If you are pressing buttons, you are forcing water into the sensitive areas. So, and also one common mistake I have also covered in many videos: don't use rice. Contrary to the popular belief, rice does not actually absorb much moisture. It can leave dust inside your phone. Apart from this, let us move up better solutions. And then step 4 is use silica gel packets. I will show you the silica gel packets. Here you see in Google, I have just searched it. It will not come. Okay, these are the silica gel packets. You can see, you can buy it from anywhere, and this is the best way to dry your phone. Those little packets that come in shoe boxes or electronics packages also, they are designed to absorb the moisture. Place your phone in a ziploc like this type of packet, and this type of packet, and then ziploc packet with silica gel placed into those packets and leave it for 24 to 48 hours. If you do not have silica gel, you can use cat litter also. Okay, so this is how you are getting rid of the moisture which are coming inside your phone due to the water. The fifth step is check for water damage indicators. Some higher range phones like iPhone, these are coming with water damage indicators. If you are just removing this SIM card, here you can find a water damage indicator, means it turns red when exposed to the water. So this will tell you that your for future references. The step 6 is turn it on and test. Just now turn it on your phone and test the check touch screens, touch the speakers and microphones. Make sure that the charging ports works. If everything works, you are clear, and if not, it might be time to visit a professional repair shop. So one thing I want to make it clear, that to prevent the future damage, just invest in waterproof phone cases. Okay, they are affordable and can save a lot of stress. If you are prone to accident, then you can go with high IP rating water resistance phones. For example, iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy S23, both phones are water resistant up to the 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. So, okay, so this is all what I wanted to tell in this video. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends who have ever dropped their phone into the water. Don't forget to subscribe this. That's all. Thank you very much.